We would not be the people we are today without our coaches. And telling you right now, it's the hardest thing to break away from the notion that you can do it better, you can reinvent the wheel. But everything that we teach today, everything that's gone into our success is an iterated version of something we've learned from someone else. And I cannot stress to you how important it is to really understand this and absorb it. Without coaching, you generally don't develop as a person. So the true value of coaching, the success algorithm, I believe, is the coach that you work with needs to have a tool. Some people call it a system. We refer to it as a system, which they have perfected and they've used for many years to be able to predict results. Then you have the coach who can guide you. They're the guide that can adapt that tool, that system to your needs. And then you need the support of a tribe who's going to keep you engaged and keep you accountable and keep you motivated, because going it alone is extremely hard. In fact, humans are tribe animals. We don't thrive unless we're in a good tribe. The concept of, if you're struggling to achieve what you want to achieve, you need to surround yourself with a community, with a tribe, where that thing is the norm.
Yeah, if you're struggling to make a change of habit, then one of the most powerful things that you can do is to surround yourself with a tribe or become part of a tribe where the habit or the behavior that you're trying to create in your life is the norm.
That's what it was, yeah.
So the easiest way to think about that is, if you were trying to quit smoking and all your friends were smokers, you're really going to struggle to ever do it. But surround yourself with non-smokers, like change your social circle, start hanging out with fitness people, and watch how quickly, or watch how much easier it is to stop smoking. So the same thing goes for eating healthy, nutritional guide. Like if you're hanging out with people who are always trying to decide if they want to go to McDonald's or Burger King and that's the decision that they're making, go and start hanging out with people that go and shop at Whole Foods every day, and see how quickly your body composition changes, you know. So yeah, when you become part of a tribe where the normal behavior is to do the things that you're trying to do, that's when the real magic happens.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when our weekly videos are uploaded. Now, the best thing for you to do if you want to stay connected with us and get free online coaching is to join our private Facebook group. It's called the UMS Movement Mastermind, and we go live daily where we answer our members' questions. It's very interactive because you can post questions while we're live and we interact with you on the show. You can also upload videos or pictures of yourself with any movements, any stretches, strength training movements, calisthenics, weightlifting, anything that you're struggling with, and we'll critique you, give you feedback, let you know how you can get better. It's a really valuable resource. It allows a lot of communication with us and also our senior tribe members. You'll get answers very, very quickly, and it's absolutely free. So jump on Facebook, search for UMS Movement Mastermind and join now. Until next time, have a great day.